Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change home screen wallpaper in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, see here, this is home screen wallpaper as of now. If you would like to change this wallpaper to other, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to wallpaper and style. Here click on change wallpapers and select any wallpaper here. From the graphical, if you select these are all the system wallpaper, I select this one and I click on home screen. So I untick lock screen, only home screen I got selected, and click on next and click on done finally, and home screen wallpaper has been changed to what I selected here. If you would like to set a video animation video as a home screen wallpaper, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is again go to the settings and then go to wallpaper and style and click on change wallpapers and select any video option here. Click here and some video options are available. I have selected this one and click on done, and yes, the selected wallpaper is now applied in home screen. Okay, if you would like to set your own photo as wallpaper for home screen, again go to the same settings, then go to home screen, then go to settings, then go to wallpaper and style and click on change wallpaper and select gallery. Select gallery, select a photo here. I would like to select this photo and click on done and untick lock screen and click on next and click on done. This selected photo is now set to home screen. See the changes. If you would like to change to default wallpaper, again go to the same settings, then go to home screen, wallpaper and style and click on change wallpaper, and here select from the graphical option. I select this one and click on home screen, only keep home screen ticked and click on next and give done, and this has been set. Okay, in this way also you can set back to default home screen wallpaper. So you can customize many wallpaper for your phone in home screen. Okay, either you can choose from the available wallpaper or you can choose your own photo from gallery to set as wallpaper for home screen. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.